Now we'll discuss one more problem in this height and distance based on height and distance concept. Uh, Question is basically on the same concept. They're saying there is a tower of height h. We don't know the exact height of this tower, and from one point we observe this tower and we get angle of elevation as some angle alpha. Okay, you watch the tower this from point and angle of elevation is alpha. Now you go back from this point to this point, go back in backward direction by some distance. Let's say this distance is 192 meters, and you watch again, and by the help of instrument you find that angle of elevation from this point of the same point, from this point angle of elevation was alpha. If you go back in backward direction of 192, now your new angle of elevation is, let's say, beta. Now they are saying tan alpha is equal to 5 by 12, sorry, tan alpha is equal to 3 by 4, and tan beta, go backward direction, tan beta is equal to 5 by 12. Okay, now you know what they can ask, they want to know the height of the tower, the famous question of Al-Biruni. Now you can find it very easy, in very easy way. I have already discussed the formula with you, but apply it again. Let's say this distance is x, we don't know the exact value of this, but tan alpha is equal to h by x, or x equal to h by tan alpha. Tan alpha is 3 by 4, and answer is 4h by 3. Now for second angle, tan beta is equal to s divided by 192 plus x. That means 192 plus x is equal to h divided by tan beta. Tan beta is 5 by 12, and answer is simple, 12h by 5. Okay, we know what's the value of 192 plus x, that is 12h by 5. What's the value of x, that is 4h by 3. Now if you put value of x, you will get 192 plus 4h by 3 is equal to 12h by 5. 192 is equal to 12h by 5 minus 4h by 3. Okay, find this value. 36 minus 20, 16h divided by 15 is equal to 192, and h equal to 15 into 192 divided by 16. Okay, if you solve, this value will be like 6, 1, 3, 12. 15 into 12, approximately 15 is 690, 180 meter. The height of the building was like 180 meter in this scenario. Okay, no need to mug up anything, just simple apply height and distance concept for two triangles, that's it. Okay, now if we discuss some more problems of NCERT that they are saying, now we discuss same concept in different manner. Now if you are standing on some tower, okay, let's say height of the tower is h. Okay, now there are two stones. One stone is here, s1, second stone is here, s2. The distance between two stones is let's say 1.5 kilometer, and the angle of depression from this point, from the height of the tower, for this stone the angle of depression is let's say 45 degree. Okay, or for this stone the angle of depression, let's say, is 30 degree. Okay, okay, now see, if this is angle of depression, same angle, this angle is 45 degree and this angle is 30 degree. Repeat the same concept. Okay, now what will you say? Tan 45, it is a very good triangle. If you are getting this angle 45, that this is h and this is also h, and one thing is solved, this is h, and tan 30 is equal to perpendicular divided by base. Perpendicular is h and base is h plus 1.5. The perpendicular is h and base is h plus 1.5. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. You will get value root 3, h is equal to h plus 1.5. H is equal to 1.5 divided by root 3 minus 1. You know, root 3 can be written as 1.7, 1.7 minus 7, 1.7 minus 1.7. 15 divided by 7 meter is the height of the building. Okay, or height of the observation point. Oh no, 15.5 meter. They are saying this distance is 1.5 kilometer. That means this distance is 15 by 7 kilometer. Okay, so if you see angles, see such type of questions, you will say these are the questions based on two angle of elevation or two angle of depression. That's it, nothing else. Okay, now we take an example of some aeroplane. Okay, some aeroplane is flying at a height of, let's say, 1800 meters. Okay, this height is given to us. Now he saw some ships. The ships are at some distance. Basically, stones are replaced by ships. This is ship 1 and this is ship 2. Now for these two ships, the angle of depression was given by like this. For this, angle of depression is 60 degree, and for the ship is 30 degree. Now solve this. They want to know the exact distance between these two ships. Let's say this distance is x, this distance is y, and solve the question. Basically, they are repeating same concept. 60 degree applied. This is 30 degree. Tan 60 is equal to 1800 divided by y. You are measuring distance in meter. Tan 30 is equal to 1800 divided by x plus y. Okay, clear? Divide them. Root 3 divided by 1 by root 3. 1800 cancel. 1 by y divided by 1 by x plus y. Then value is x plus y divided by y. 1 by root 3 is 3. X plus y divided by y equal to 3. 3y equal to x plus y, and y equal to x by 2. Okay. If y equal to x by 2, then they want to know the exact distance between the two ships. There are two unknowns. We can find y equal to let's say if y is equal to x by 2, can we write this x plus y is equal to 1800 divided by tan 60, that is root 3. Sorry, for this discussion, y equal to 1800 divided by root 3. Okay, if y is equal to 1800 divided by root 3, then x is equal to 2y, 2 into 1800 divided by root 3. And answer is simply 3600 divided by root 3. Okay, so more or less we can say that whatever question we are covering in this scenario, these are the this is basically based on two things. You have to discuss two triangles. Okay, now if we take one good question, it was asked in CBSE 2013. They are saying two pillars of equal height. This is one pillar A. Okay, there is one pillar B. These are of equal height. Now they are at the end of 100-meter wide road. This road is 100-meter wide, and for some point of observation, for this angle of elevation is 60 degree. Okay, and from the same point, the angle of elevation for this height is 30 degree. Now I think you know what they can ask you. That this is a height is h. They can ask height of the pillars. They can ask position of observation. Let's say position of observation is x from this pillar and 100 minus x from this pillar. Simple discussion. Tan 60 is equal to height divided by x. Tan 30 is equal to height divided by 100 minus x. Tan 60 divided by tan 30. This is root 3 divided by 1 by root 3. I just cancel. Value will be like 1 by x divided by 1 by 100 minus x. The value will be like 100 minus x divided by x. Root 3 multiply 3x is equal to 100 minus x. 4x equal to 100. Then point of observation is at 25 meter from left pillar and 75 meter from the right pillar. Now, if they ask about the value of h, h is equal to x tan 60 like 25 root 3 is the height of the tower. Root 3 equal to 1.7. If you put, value will become approximately 43-44 meters. Okay. We can see that question they are asking CBSE and NCERT based NCERT exemplar. Basically, there are 2 point of observation. There are 2 triangles, and by the concept of 2 triangles, you can solve the values of height, distance, whatever they are asking for. Okay. Now, if we go to this is one good question from NCERT exemplar. Okay, they are saying this is the height, this is some tower, and it is observed from 2 points, from this point and this. Okay, from this point to this point, these 2 angles are complementary. Okay, let's say this angle is theta and this angle is 90 minus theta, and they are saying a distance of this observation point is, let's say, B, and distance of this observation point, say, let's say, A. They are asking what should be the height of building. Okay. Now, same thing again, nothing new, just write tan 90 minus theta. Okay, tan 90 minus theta equal to h by b. They ask about tan theta equal to h by, okay, tan 90 minus theta and tan theta, if you multiply them, we will get cot theta into tan theta is 1, h square by ab equal to 1, and h equal to under root ab. Okay, the height of the tower will be like root ab. It's simple, and you can solve many other questions as well. If we pick one good example from NCERT exemplar, this is also a very good question. They are saying if the angle of elevation of cloud from a point is alpha and angle of depression of its reflection. Okay, now see, if there is a lake and some cloud is there. Okay, the cloud we have discussed in physics, the image is from plane surface is at same distance. Let's say if distance is h, its image in the water will be at same distance h. Now, you are observing this cloud from some height. Okay, let's say this height is x. They are saying for your cloud, angle of elevation is alpha, and for the image of the cloud, angle of depression is beta. Okay, now they want to know height of the cloud. Okay, height of the cloud, and they are saying height of the person is h, and height of the cloud we can take any other value. Okay. Let's say height of the person is, and height of the cloud is y, looks like variable, we take y. Okay, now you have to find the y. Okay, now let's say this distance is x, right? Tan alpha, what is the value of tan alpha? Tan alpha is equal to, I think, y minus h divided by x. And what's the value of tan beta? Tan beta will be like I think y plus h divided by x. Okay, okay, now you are interested in only y, and they didn't give any idea about x. You don't need x, and simply you can say we can find the value. If we want to know the value of y, if we divide them, see, if we divide them, we will get tan alpha by tan beta as y minus h divided by y plus h. Y plus h tan alpha is equal to y minus h tan beta. Y tan alpha plus s tan alpha, y tan beta minus s tan beta. Now you are interested in y only. Take y this side. Y tan alpha minus tan beta and minus h tan alpha plus tan beta. What is the value of y? That is h tan alpha plus tan beta divided by tan beta minus tan alpha. Okay, it's simple. More or less there you have to discuss in terms of basically two triangles, और दो triangles में आपको relation develop बेटा करना है. Okay, we can have very good questions. We can have 3 point observation also. Okay, if we have 3 points of observation, we can develop relation between these 3 angles. We have some questions like this only. Okay, now I think it is sufficient for us. If we practice more, we can do better question. In next part, I will give you more tough question that asked in Olympiad and other examinations. Okay, next part.